Welcome to the blizzard of 2013 in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are on I-45 Outer. We are going at top speed of 35 miles an hour because of these awful blustery conditions. Oh my God, slam on the brakes, try to move lanes. It's crazy out here. I don't know what people are gonna do. Have to tuck her down, get the bread, get the eggs, get the milk, put the chains on the tires, call the National Guard. We need help. Oh my goodness. It is snowing in Charlotte. What will people do? I don't know. Turn to your local news station. Take shelter. It's crazy out here. Braking. Gotta hit the brakes in the snow. Oh my goodness. It is pandemonium. February 16th, 2013. Snow Brawl.